8 kilometers from the bustling city of Chennai in southern India, is home to one of the world's most prestigious monuments, Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram derives its name from an ancient practice called Mahabali, or Great Sacrifice. Built by the Pallava king Narasimhavarman I during the 7th century AD, the city is also called Mamalla. Mamalla, or the Great Wrestler, was the title of the great king Narasimhavarman I. It houses diverse historical monuments built adapting a fusion of Dravidian and Buddhist architecture using rock cut and monolithic techniques. They are constituted by cave temples and rathas, which are testimonials of the excellent Pallava art. The main attractions at Mahabalipuram include Arjuna's penance, the Pancharathas, the Varaha cave, and the Shiva temple. Arjuna's penance, also known as the descent of Ganga, is the name of this massive bas-relief structure that depicts Arjuna's penance to acquire Pashupathastra, Lord Shiva's powerful weapon, which would aid him in fighting his arch-rivals, the Kauravas. The panel has 198 sculptures divided with one side bearing the Pandavas and the other the Kauravas. The other alternative interpretation of the figure in penance is said to be King Bhagiratha, who performed austerities in order to make Ganga descend to earth and wash over the ashes of his ancestors, freeing them from their sins. The Pancharathas, or 5 chariots, are named after the Pandavas and is included in UNESCO's World Heritage Sites. The first Ratha is dedicated to Dharmaraya, the eldest of the Pandavas, followed by Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva, being twins, have a common Ratha. The fifth Ratha is for Draupadi, wife of the Pandavas. An interesting aspect of the Rathas is that despite their humongous size, each one is carved from a single large piece of stone. Inside the Varaha cave, the side walls are embellished with large sculpted panels depicting Lord Vishnu's incarnation as Varaha, the boar. Sculptures depicting Vishnu holding up goddess Bhudevi, the earth goddess, are good examples of naturalistic Pallava art. The cave is guarded by 4 lions, which are engraved on the pillars at the entrance. Rayar Gopuram, with its 4 pillars, was considered a sacred place by the Pallava king. It was used as a family spot to pray to the moon god. The Mahishamardini cave depicts the sculpture portraying goddess Chamundi killing the buffalo-headed demon Mahishasura in a fierce battle. The Shore Temple is a 5-storied rock-cut temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and Vishnu. It is one of the earliest important temple in southern India with its pyramid-style structure measuring 60 feet in height. The tall tower is the house to Lord Shiva, whilst the smaller tower is dedicated to Goddess Parvati. A sculpture depicting the reclining Vishnu is also found in the passage between the two towers. According to the descriptions by British traveller J. Goldingham, who visited the site in 1798, he was told there were 7 pagodas near Mahabalipuram, out of which only the present monument has survived the test of time. Apart from these main attractions, one can find plenty of eye-catching monuments and sculptures like the monolithic Ganesha temple, Balanced Rock or Krishna's Butterball, Pandava's Kitchen or Bhima's Kitchen, the Trimurti Cave, the old lighthouse built by the Pallavas, and the new built by the British in 1900, which is very much in use even today. It is also believed by some that this area served as a school for young sculptors. The different sculptures, some half finished, may have been examples of different styles of architecture, probably demonstrated by instructors and practiced on by young students. The areas surrounding the temple have shops that offer a wide range of exquisite stone and wood carvings. You can find traditional sculptors with exceptional skills making some exotic sculptures. It is fascinating to see these skilled hands at work. It is highly gratifying that this gifted art form has survived through generations due to these skilled people. Built in honor of Lord Shiva, this seashore wonder has withstood time and nature's wrath for more than 1,000 years, in spite many of its sculptures have been a victim to the roaring sea. However, Mahabalipuram stands as a symbol of art and cultural splendor of the Dravidian Empire, reminding us of the past glory. It is an edifice of marvel for people across the globe for its spectacular scenery and serenity.